What's up, NUI Group? This is Sam and Aaron from TouchMi, and we just wanted to show you a couple really cool new solutions that are floating around the forums right now. One of them being a new version of CCV that lets you stitch more than two cameras together with calibration. Totally awesome. We're going to go through that right now. But another thing that we're going to do, which is near and dear to our heart, is we found a very inexpensive and really awesome warping software that'll allow you to warp and blend projectors together. Some of the other solutions that we've seen were anywhere between $1,200 to $1,500 per projector. Which is just kind of ridiculous, and this one is I believe $56, $57 US. Totally awesome. Anyway, let's get to it. I just wanted to show you. This is the inside right now. You can see these cameras are just hand placed. Nothing special about them. We didn't line them up or anything. We just chucked them in there. You can see the two bright lights right there. Of course, that's our short throw projectors. And it's projecting onto our surface up there. Cool? All right, moving on. What we're going to show you right now is this software. We've already posted a video about this, so we're going to refer you back to the video on how to actually set up the points and everything like that. But we just wanted to show you that this does in fact work with CCV. I'm going to hand off the camera to our buddy Aaron. All right, here you go. Now, as you can see here, I don't know how well the camera is going to pick it up, but you see 4 separate images of the 4 cameras severely overlapping quite a bit. So in order to get those to work properly, as I drop stuff on the floor, in order to get those to blend together, the new solution is now it's all being done by calibration. And we're about to show you here in a second. Alright guys, so we're going to start with CCV. We've got our 4 cameras set up, and if you notice, we got our amplify set up really high. This is a personal preference while calibrating. We end up turning it back down. That just gives us really good touch points everywhere we need. Then we just adjust later. So we're going to go ahead and get into calibration. Now, we've launched Community Core Vision using the warping software. You can't see it yet, but let's go ahead and go into calibration so you can see what we're talking about. As you can see, we're definitely off here. Our warping points are way off. Also, in the middle of the screen, you can, if you shift back and forth, you can see that there's the lettering is totally just overlapping each other and everything like that. So, let me go ahead and part of the warping software. To get that configuration to actually warp the screen, you hit Control, Shift, F12, and of course that's the watermark because we're using an unlicensed version. Our license is on the way, but all the lettering is matching up perfectly. All of our warping points or calibration points are right on. You can see our line is even all the way down the screen, and we're ready to go. So just to show you guys something really quick. We have a calibration stick. This is our stick. We kind of use it so that because we've set the amplify so high, you can see that there's hovering. I'm not even touching the screen. However, if I take the stick, I have less chance of hovering and I can touch the point. And we're going to go ahead and calibrate. And this is where we fast forward the video. done. We're calibrated. Now, of course, we're getting hovering really bad right now, so we can just go ahead and get back to our CCV screen, and you can see it's all kind of out of warp and kind of crazy. So Control Shift F12 again. We've got the normal window. Let me go ahead and crank that amplify back down. Let's, for our rig, we keep it around 4950, and we got really good points all over the place. And now here's the great thing. Again, keep in mind, guys, we got 4 cameras. Can't really see them here anymore because it's blended them so that all 4 cameras are stretched and to fit the entire screen here. So you can see my hands. My hands are actually going across the lines right now. So we're actually doing pretty good right now. And if you look at the actual blobs, our blobs are going across multiple lines and we're not changing IDs. Pretty cool.